So right click and uncheck on show axis. Right click again, click on show grid and then click on no grid. Okay, so this is how our background is. First of all, select your circle with center and radius. So we're using radius 3 here. We don't need the radius C, so right click and uncheck show label. Right click again on the center so that we can rename the center. Select text from the box. I want to write my property here. We are going to look at the alternate segment theorem. And this property says that the angle between the chord and the tangent is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So first of all, select a point and then wherever you want your tangent to be. So I want the tangent to be at this point. Click tangents from the box. Select the point A and then click on any part of the circle and our tangent is being drawn. Select segment so that we can draw our angles. We can also select the point and label the points here. If you don't need the label of the lines, you can right click and uncheck show label. You can click on move and move any. You can move the whole diagram or you can move any of the labels. Let's measure the angle. So angle EAB and then angle ACB, angle CBA, and then final angle CAD. Right click on the angles, come to show label. So want to show only the value. And then let's keep our values in 0 decimal so that we have whole numbers. So we need only the value. We don't need the labels. So let's come back to the property again. Alternate segment theorem, which says that the angle between the chord and the tangent is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So this is a chord AC. This chord makes an angle with the tangent AD. And this chord AC sustains an angle at the circumference at B. So we can see that clearly the angle DAC is equal to angle CBA. So these angles are alternate. Also, AB is a chord that makes an angle with the tangent AE. And this chord sustains at the circumference at C, which is making an angle of 64 degrees. So we can see that the angle this chord makes with the tangent is indeed equal to the angle that makes at the circumference from the same chord. So we can change the positioning of the points. You can see that once we change, we still have the angles being equal.